If you want to unlink your Apple Music account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are separated. This process can help maintain your privacy and manage your music preferences more effectively. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This app is typically found on your home screen and has a gear icon. Step 2. Scroll to Music. Once in the Settings app, scroll down until you find the Music option. Tap on it to access the music-related settings. Step 3. Tap on Accounts. In the Music settings, look for the Accounts section. This is where you can manage any linked accounts, including Facebook. Step 4. Select Facebook. Under the Accounts section, find and select Facebook. This will take you to the settings specifically for your Facebook account linked to Apple Music. Step 5. Unlink account. Finally, tap on the option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account from Apple Music. Confirm the action when prompted to complete the process. After following these steps, your Apple Music account will no longer be linked to Facebook. If you need to reconnect in the future, you can do so through the same settings.